So you can see that I am on my channel homepage right now, and if I were to go around and click on about, then this is what I see. I don't see any details right here, but I only see when I created this channel right here. So in order to add in value to your YouTube channel, what you can do is you can add in more details to this. So to do that, you can go around and click on customize channel right here. And once you do that, what happens is that you're taken onto your YouTube studio page right here onto the customization section. So now what you can do is you can go around onto the basic information and add in a description to the channel right here. So let's say I'm just going to go around over here and add in a description saying this is an example YouTube channel. So I'm just going to go around right here. YouTube channel made for the purposes of letting audiences know how to make their own YouTube channel. So just like this, I typed in a description, and the description limit is 1,000 words right here. You can go around, add in more languages according to how you want as well. But in my case, I'm just going to go around and utilize English language right here, just like this. So you can see that you can go around, add in details right here, and you can go around and add in links as well. And this is something that we are going to talk about in later videos. Over here, you can see the channel URL, that is the URL address, the web address of your YouTube channel that you can go around and share out with public. So you can go around, copy, and then paste it out onto other places, or you can send this as a message to other people so that they can directly access out your channel. So over here on the bottom, you can see that contact information is something that you can add as well. So I'm just going to go around and type in tutortubechannel@gmail.com right here. So let's say you want others to see this, so you can go around and add that in over here as well. So once this is done, you can go around and click on publish, and what happens is that these information will be updated. You can go around and add in more detail over here if you want to as well, according to how you like. And you can go around, change the channel name right here. Again, you can edit the channel name as well, and then change it out according to how you want as well. But I don't want to change it and keep it the same. So if I were to go around now on to view channel, then I'll be taken onto my channel, and in about, you'll be able to see the description. And here you can see you can also view the email address right here, just like this. And that is how you can go around and then change the channel's basic information inside of YouTube by using YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.